Imagine this. You're chilling on your couch, your phone buzzes, and it's not a group chat about your cousin's wedding. It's a notification saying, "You just made a sale." That's the magic of Shopify. Shopify isn't just an e-commerce platform, it's your gateway to becoming your own boss. With over 4.1 million businesses worldwide using Shopify, this is where side hustles turn into empires. Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful ways to make money with Shopify. Whether you're a product whiz, a service provider, or someone with zero experience, let's build that dream store and cash in. 1. Start your own online store. This one's classic but effective. Use Shopify to set up a store selling physical products. Anything from handmade candles to fitness gear. With Shopify's tools, you can track inventory, set up payments, and market your products with ease. Fun tip. Even if you're selling socks with cat faces on them, there's an audience out there. Trust me, people love cats that much. 2. Sell digital products not into shipping physical items. No problem. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or online courses. Shopify makes it easy to automate deliveries, so you can earn while you sleep. Humor hook. Think of it as passive income, but with way fewer late-night packaging sessions. 3. Dropshipping. Sell without stocking inventory. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold inventory. Partner with suppliers to sell their products directly through your Shopify store. You set the price, they handle the shipping, and you keep the profit. Relatable angle. It's like owning a store where someone else does all the heavy lifting. You're basically the boss with zero warehouse stress. 4. Offer print-on-demand products. From custom t-shirts to mugs with witty quotes, print-on-demand lets you sell personalized products without upfront costs. Your designs, their printing, Shopify's selling. Fun tip. Slap your quirky doodle on a coffee mug, call it art, and watch it sell like hotcakes. 5. Create a niche subscription box service. Everyone loves a good surprise. Use Shopify to start a subscription box business in a niche you're passionate about, like skincare products, gourmet snacks, or even quirky socks. Engaging twist. Who knew you could turn your obsession with artisanal cheeses into a steady income? 6. Monetize your expertise with consulting services. Are you great at social media, fitness coaching, or marketing? Set up a Shopify store to sell your consulting services. Offer packages, one-on-one sessions, or even workshops. Pro angle. Your knowledge is valuable. Why not let Shopify help you get paid for it? 7. Flip Shopify stores. Build Shopify stores, grow their traffic and sales, then sell them for profit. Platforms like Exchange Marketplace make it easy to find buyers. Humor twist. It's like flipping houses, but without the leaky roofs or paint fumes. So, which Shopify money-making method is calling your name? Share your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech-savvy money-making tips. Shopify is more than a platform. It's your opportunity to turn dreams into dollars. Whether it's a side hustle or the start of your entrepreneurial empire, the time to act is now. Let's build something amazing together.